Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we have a seafood recipe that's delicious and also very easy to make. Our recipe for today is Goan Squid Fry. Step 1. Cleaning and cutting the squids. Take 500 grams or half a kg of squids. First, carefully pull out the top flaps of the squids. Then remove the plastic-looking cartilage from inside the squid. Now pull out the head and inner waist from inside the squid. Place your knife under the eye portion of the squid and cut it off. This will remove the ink sac easily without it bursting and creating a mess. Also squeeze out a hard ball-like thing which is located in the tentacles. Peel off the outer skin from the tentacles. And also from the body of the squids. Also remove all the waste from inside and clean it thoroughly. Wash and clean the inner cavities as well. Cut the squids into rings. Do this for the rest of the squids and also cut the tentacles into smaller pieces. Then wash everything thoroughly and set it aside to drain the water completely. Step 2. Marinating the squids. Add half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Apply it properly to all the pieces. Cover and keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 3. Preparing the squid fry. On medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 sliced onion and stir. After a minute, add the squids. Do not add water at this time as the squids release its own liquid. Stir it for a minute or two.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cover and cook on medium heat for around 5 minutes or until the water dries out. Stir occasionally to prevent the squids from sticking to the pan, and also check if there is liquid. Once the liquid has dried up, it is time to add our Recheado Masala. The link for our Recheado Masala is at the top of your screen. You will also find the link in the description box and in the end screen. Add 3 tablespoons of our Goan Recheado Masala. Stir everything nicely.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Add a small amount of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves and mix everything well. Now add 3 tablespoons of water and stir.
you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Add another quarter cup of water. Add quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything properly. Cover and cook for some time until the water dries up. Total cooking time for the squids is 10 to 12 minutes. Cooking time will also depend on the size of the squids. Overcooking will make it rubbery, so check occasionally if the squids are done. Our delicious Goan Squid Fry is ready. You can serve it hot with rice and curry or serve it as an appetizer. If you have any questions or feedback, please write to us in the comments section. Do let us know if you liked this video, and see you soon with another interesting recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.